Current position. Maota docking hangar. Getting coordinates. X, -3925123667. Y, -185001. Z, -74675475. Currently resupplying. Systems are currently online. Hydrogen tanks are currently 97% full.
So, are we clear for takeoff then?
Clear for takeoff.
Yeah, let's do this.
Currently heading towards specified coordinates. Jumping in approximately 5 seconds. Jumping. Jumped. Scanners are picking up electricity waves, most likely cause our jump drives. Unknown anomalies detected. Potential danger. Maota bot recommends you power up all weapons.
Get the cannons ready now! I said get the weapons ready.
Got it, Captain.
Opening message. Changing channel.
Alright. Who is this?
Hello, please let us through. We are delivery ships.
Scanners indicate the delivery ships are armed.
Huh?
Dreadnoughts are big. Delivery ships are small. Maota's tip is to ram.
We're still listening.
Hydrogen tanks are getting reduced fuel. 10 liters reduction per second. Heavy weaponry are being directed at the bow. Batteries are emptying 5% per 30 seconds. Sensors indicate injuries on enemy ships. Emergency batteries are all currently online. Escape pods are launching in approximately 10 seconds. All systems are currently offline. Repeat. All systems are currently offline.